Hello, good afternoon. So today I am going to teach you how to use a lasso point. So I will remove this one. So yeah, so let's make some example. So I'm going to create multiple shapes. Okay, just for example like that. So if you want to change color of this one or specific triangle, square, so this one, so basically you'll do it manually, right? Like that, changing of colors and that. So the use of lasso is to do it in just, for example, like you are going to draw shape. So here it will create an anchor point for this. This is the one that I've selected. So you are going to just change it in just one click. See? So that's one of the use of lasso. Next is to, for example, we have here 3 squares and you want to move it like diagonally or what. All you are going to do is to use a lasso. For example, I will draw here at the top. Okay, so I will use this one, direct select, and then point it at the anchor. See, it will automatically move the shapes. Okay, but if you draw a lasso here all over and you use a direct select point, it will not move diagonally because you've selected all. Okay, so if you want to make it like that, just select the top one so that there's still space here that will this anchor here will stick, something like that. So here, so if you don't use lasso to make something like this, you can, but you will manually do it. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.